Hello everyone, Matt from Model Minutes here and welcome back to the workbench. Well, slightly bigger than the workbench today. I've gone to a different work area because we've got a big thing to take a look at. So today, this is a mystery box from Airfix. You can find these on their website. They've got a few different selections, but I went for the vintage classic one. And a big thank you to Moz at Moz6510 Models for drawing my attention to these mystery boxes because I probably wouldn't have known about them otherwise. So join me in this video as I get inside and find out what I've got. And you know, hands down, this is still sealed. I've not actually been inside this box yet, so we're going to discover together what we've got. So without any further ado, we're just going to get straight into it. So as a side note, this Vintage Classics mystery box was retailing for £37 on their website not long ago, and they supposedly would give you a saving of a minimum of £34, so that's quite a good deal. But sadly, it would seem that they've run out of stock. There are other ones that you can get, which include, what's it called, tanks and ships, but it seems the Vintage Classic ones have gone. I didn't pay £37 for it though, because I got 20% off with club membership because they had a special deal on. So I actually spent £29.60. £29.60 for everything that's in here. So let's see, what have we got? Oh. Well, if you've watched Moz's video, you will have seen a very similar selection of kits. Alright, so what have we got here? We've got a little advert, Bassett Loke steampunk models. So just Lego, really. No thanks, not interested in that. But what else have we got here? So yeah, like I said, if you've seen Moz's video, you'll know that he got, I'm pretty sure, the exact same kits I've got here. We've got an Airfix Hawker Hurricane Mark 1 in 1/24 scale. We've got a Feisler Stoich, which I've already got one of in the stash, and you can find a review video on that. And a Sherman Calliope. Supposedly, you know, that's how you say it, but who knows. Just like Moz said, let me know down in the comments how'd you say that word there. So let's do a bit of maths. The Hawker Hurricane is on the website for £65.99. The Feisler Stoich doesn't seem to be listed on the website, but I'm pretty sure its recommended retail price was £6.49. And the Sherman here should have been £9.99 recommended retail price. So bearing in mind that I paid £29.60 for all of them, and in total it should have been £82.47. That is a saving of, let's do some quick maths, £52.87. That's a big saving, isn't it? So that's a really good deal. But I'm a little bit disappointed in the sense that this is a mystery box and I've got the same as someone else. I would have liked to have had different stuff. I guess maybe they were just trying to shift stock. But yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed that I've ended up having the exact same as someone else. This one I've already got, so I might, I don't know, do something else with that one. Maybe I'll give it away for charity. But this one I'll have a go at building. And yeah, I'll definitely have a go at building the Hurricane. That looks like a pretty cool kit. Get 2 paint schemes in there by the looks of it. Not a very long video this one, just a quick look at some more things that I bought with my addiction. I am a massive fan of mystery boxes. You'll know that I've unbagged 2 mystery bags before. So yeah, I love the idea. I would have just loved to have some slightly different ones to other people. But yeah, let me know. What do you think? Is this a great deal? I mean, I think it is. And is it something that you would consider getting for yourself? Like I said, the Vintage Classic bundle doesn't seem to be on the website as I'm making the video, but they do have other bundles that you can look at as well. And with that club discount, it's really helped save quite a lot of money. Anyway, let me know down in the comments, would you do this? Would you get one of these for yourself? Let me know any suggestions, what I should do for future videos. Massive thanks to my patrons and channel members for the support they give the channel. So take a look at the links in the description for more information on that. Another shout out to Moz of Moz6510 Models for reminding me that these exist and basically not twisting my arm into getting one, but effectively feeding my addiction. If you aren't aware of Moz, he is another YouTuber who does a lot of good unboxings and has some build videos as well. So it's definitely worth checking his channel out. If you're new here and you don't want to miss any modelling videos or uploads, make sure you click that subscribe button so you get notified when a video goes live. Finally, one last thing to say is a massive thank you to you for watching this one, and I'll see you on the workbench again next time.